Loish.
Send picture. Asa mo ito? Ate ha, cellphone ba? Diri ate. Asa diya? Text mo ilang. Iyan eh. Kasi
Yan ay.
bunog ka itong cellphone. Wala di ko mag-iPhone.
Awo? Ato picture.
Papagani ko'y kaon.
Ate!
At the higher education institution like CDU in preparation for the prospective teachers as knowledgeable, reflective petitioners, reflective practitioners, and emerging leaders who conduct themselves ethically and professionally. Also, this provides student teachers varied opportunities within the diverse classroom settings to refine the knowledge, skills, and disposition they have developed as active participants in the field study and teaching internship. Diini usab nga memorandum gikan sa DepEd, gilati usab dinhi ang gubat kalabo sa pagka-illiterate. Ni adin atong classroom o gani kitang tanan sayo sa IPCOM. The Education Commission 2 reveals, the studies reveals that half, if not all, from the elementary department or bureau, ni ayon ang di pa makamahang mabasa. Gani, no less than the Secretary of the Department of Education also collaborates with higher educational institutions to help during the practice teaching sa pagbabasa sa mga kabataan. Kami ang ginamot na kiningamong mga tinunan din sa Senior Elementary Campus, makahatag usap sila og solusyon
like you. So whatever kind of teacher they will become in the future reflects what the mentor is. So yung mga kita, kung hindi naman tulong tanong ang mentee, member siya, unahin yung maestro. So, the rule of the student teaching mentor is, of course, the basic is to check the lesson plans. CDU fully understood that the evolution of lesson plan in a department of education keeps on moving, very dynamic, changing every semester, every year. Whoever is in charge in the office of the Department of Education, doon na siya ihap kung lingon na pamaagi sa pagpadagan what lesson plans. From the Bachelor of Technology and Library Education, BTLED. We have two sections of BTLED student teachers.
School principals, represented by Mr. Mr. Chester Rosales, Principal 1 of Baybay National High School for the secondary, and Mr. Jervis Monterde, Principal 1 of the Abanayan Central Elementary School for the elementary. Let us give them a round of applause, please.
And students. Again, dili madungag gawas. I-save lang nato sa ato ang katong pagpadung nato sa pining. Ako na ang pinakaloyon, sundan sa ikaduha katong okay. Mag-una ang gawas ang
iPhone. Ay, why iPhone?